creating a YouTube channel, you definitely need to do tons of research like you're doing right now. There are certain things you need to know to set yourself up for success and make your YouTube channel work. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is T from Fidia, and I'll be letting you in on the basic things you need to know on starting a YouTube channel in 2022. The first thing you need to know is that starting is the hardest part. There's a very high chance that this is the 99th video that you're watching on how to get started on YouTube. While that is not bad at all, implementing all the things that you have learned and researched about is way more important. Your first video is probably going to be your worst video, whether you film it today or next year. So it's better to just sit down, film the video and post it so that you can get it out of the way. Once you post your first video, it's easier to post your second, third, fourth, 10th, 100th video. Another thing you need to know is that you don't need expensive equipment. I know you've heard it a zillion times, but I'm going to emphasize it again. Your smartphone is basically the only camera you need to get started, and if you feel the need to invest more in better quality along the way, you can then decide to save up or crowdfund from your community and get a better camera. Talking about crowdfunding, you can definitely set up a payment link on your Fidia account and post it on your socials for your fans, your audience, your community to invest in you and help you get a better gear. So apart from your phone camera, other things you can invest in are a tripod, which will help with stabilization, and lighting. That is if you don't have enough natural light coming into your space. Which leads me to the next point, which is invest more in your audio than your video. Don't get me wrong, having both your audio and your video at their best quality is the goal. But if you have to pick one, then definitely invest in your audio by getting a good microphone. There are affordable ones around, like the Boya one, which costs about 10,000 naira. That's less than $16 and it does a great job. People can try to see through a video with not so great lighting, but bad audio, totally unacceptable. So compare listening to this audio and then listening to this audio. The fourth point would be pay attention to your thumbnails. You know how you just see a fine, beautiful person walk into a room and then you just want to know who they are, what they are, and what they're about? Yep, that's what your YouTube thumbnail does to your video. So as a beginner, it might be difficult to know how to make your YouTube thumbnail look to attract more people to click on your video. What you can do is do a YouTube search on the same topic that you're speaking about, the top performing videos, check the similarities and how their YouTube thumbnail looks, then recreate something very similar. The last point you need to know is that the first few seconds of your YouTube video are the most important. That is what is going to determine if people are going to click away from your video or they are going to continue watching your video. So, on a lifestyle or vlog channel, for example, instead of starting your vlog with a custom intro, what you can do is show a very interesting part of the vlog. That way, people want to stick around to see what exactly happened in that particular part of the vlog. A bonus point would be to promote your content. A whole bunch of people create content on YouTube and leave it at that. Constantly taking snippets of your YouTube videos and posting it on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter is going to help your YouTube channel a lot. So now that you've gotten to this point of the video, I would say pick up your phone, set it up on a tripod, record your first video and publish it. When you do, feel free to tag us on social media using our handles at GetFidia, and we'll be happy to support you by reposting your videos. Don't forget to keep creating, and we keep sorting out your payments for you over here at Fidia. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!